doing a trading safely update on gold. Don't forget to check out www.tradingsafely.com.au. So gold, we mentioned yesterday, needed to take out the confluence of resistance. That was last month's close at 1241.4, the high of the breakdown candle here at 1242.6, and this volume resistance zone in here. So far we've come and tested it and failed. When I look down below at our mean reversion studies, we can see that we still do have quite a bit of weight on top of gold here by virtue of this quarterly level there at 1254 and the monthly at 1267. So the weight is definitely still down on gold, and it needs to get right back above this 1295 high on a weekly basis to be really bullish. So on a daily basis, we've got our daily bullish up there at 1247.5 and the daily bearish at 1235.7, and that's acted as the low so far today. Equally, we are at our weekly bullish, which is this horizontal yellow line just there, and the weekly bearish is down here at 1216. So it is a major resistance zone. If we were to close higher tonight, then you'd expect gold to be moving higher. For me, still waiting for, I think gold still has weight above it. Happy to be wrong. If it goes higher, so be it. But from what I can see, there's still weight down. So it is a decision point for gold tonight. It does need to sort of pop a bit higher to retest this high or even go further beyond. When we look at support and resistance, I'm just going to add that back in. Now immediately we've got levels, the daily level up here at 1256 and the monthly up at 1269.5. So like I said, we really need to be closing above these weekly and monthly levels up here on a weekly basis to be breaking higher. So for me, it is a decision point tonight because we are at major resistance, and gold will make up its mind what it's doing tonight. Longer term, I just want to have a quick look at gold. We had a question come in. I think for me, if I just move to a weekly chart of gold, one of the reasons we think gold is going higher on a long-term basis is that we have, for the first time in a long time, this is a weekly chart of gold. In fact, we need to go back, well, I'm trying to count the number of years. You have to go back, at least more than 10 years, maybe 12 years even, to get this event here. So we have rising annual closing support. Okay, so that is extremely rare, and it's providing a long-term rising base for gold. So for me, any test back into this zone and a reversal from there is a major buying opportunity, and we do think gold is going much higher longer term. So typically, however, you do need quite a violent shakeout to the downside to propel markets higher. I'm just not sure we've seen that yet, but we'll see. So that's why we think gold is going higher longer term. There is long-term rising support, and that hasn't happened for 12 plus years. So stay tuned for that one. So I hope that helps.